the way they want. If it's something that, a lot of times I'll throw a little bit of a vignette on the image just to darken it down, get it to the way that I want, and then I'll, still within Lightroom, I'll create and upload a web gallery for the client. So it goes onto my website. They can go on there. I'm not processing out 1,000 tips and sending them 1,000 tips. I'm not sending them RAWs to do whatever the hell they want with it. They see the images, they pick what their favorites are, and then I'll post-process those. And I try to, as much as I can, tell people this is just like when we had that film lab and we had to send something in to get it printed. It's like, this is not call me up at 3 o'clock when you need something at 3:30, although people do that. It's like, give me at least a day to do the high res, and then, typically what I've done in the past would be I'd upload them to their FTP sites, but all of a sudden I had this big rash of like people that, oops, they deleted the image off their FTP site, could I please send it again? And sometimes at that point I was on the road and it's like, oh crap,